Hello students, in previously we have discussed types of reaction and we have discussed about combination reaction. In this video lecture we are discussed about exothermic reaction, definition of exothermic reaction and some few example of exothermic reaction. So now we are discussed about exothermic reaction. Firstly, we have discussed about the definition of a exothermic reaction. A reaction in which heat is produced or released along with the formation of a product this type of reaction is known as a exothermic reaction. This is the simplest definition of an exothermic reaction. In a reaction in which heat is produced or released along with the formation of the product. This is known as a exothermic reaction. Now, let's we discuss some example of exothermic reaction. First example is burning of a coal. We all know the coal is made up with carbon. It's burned in presence of oxygen or air. It gives CO2 plus highly amount of heat. Second one is burning of natural gas. We all know the methane. CH4. Methane is a natural gas. It's combined with oxygen and it produces a large amount of heat plus it gives carbon dioxide and 2 mole of water as a byproduct. Some another example is decomposition of vegetable and our respiration. In our respiration, 6 carbon atom glucose decomposed in presence of oxygen and it convert into 6 carbon dioxide atom and 6 mole of hydrogen and high amount of energy. So in all this video we are discussed about exothermic reaction. Thank you.